everyone joined this class? Okay, thank you. So today I'm discussing about the comparison of NAC solution, agent-based and agentless OnGuard agent. In the OnGuard agent, I'm going to check the compliance and postures. So we discuss about today. The topic is agentless and agent-based OnGuard agent. OnGuard agent, there are two types. One is OnGuard agent to physically install, and just agentless. These are agentless. Okay, this is the OnGuard agent physically going to install. The physical means going to download the software from here and install the particular systems. This agent is no need to install the software any particular machine. Okay, so we'll discuss about the agent OnGuard agent based and OnGuard agentless. Okay, so everyone going to join. So to start the session. Yes, yes, please. So network access control is a critical security component for modern networks, offering granular control who and what can access the network resources. As we discussed about the previous lesson, NAC enforce security policy, improve network visibility, and help maintain the compliance. Choosing the right NAC solution is crucial and one of the primary single between solution in the architecture approach, agent-based and agentless. Agent-based versus agentless, OnGuard agent. Understand difference between advantage and disadvantage of the agent, OnGuard agent based and OnGuard agent less. Okay. So agent base, today discuss about the OnGuard agent base. Okay, OnGuard agent base. OnGuard agent based NAC solution requires software known as OnGuard agent to be installed on each endpoint device that network access. The agent communicates with the NAC appliance or server to perform the authentication, posture assessment, and enforce the policy. This is the agent based authentication. How agent based NAC works? Okay, how agent based NAC works. So, how so agent based and agentless NAC. Okay, the agent, how agent based NAC is work. Agent installation. The agent software is deployed on the endpoint, typically via group policy or software distributed tool or manual installation. OnGuard agent going to install the particular systems. Authentication. When the endpoint attempt to connect to the network, the agent initiate the communication with the NAC server. The user is typically prompted to authenticate using username password or only check the system health. There are two type authentication method: without username password credential, authenticate the system, or only check the health status. Okay. Posture assessment. The agent collect the information about the endpoint security posture such as operating system, antivirus, firewall, install applications. These going to checks to the through the postures. Posture policy enforcement. The agent send the posture assessment data to the NAC server. Okay. So policy enforcement, the agent send the posture assessment data to the NAC server. The NAC server evaluate the data against defined security policy. Based on the evaluation, and NAC server instruct the agent to take actions such as system is healthy, so apply the healthy ACL, system is quarantine, apply the quarantine ACL, and initiate the remediation action with user prompt to update the antivirus software. Okay. Again, OnGuard agent continuous monitoring. The OnGuard agent can continuously monitor the endpoint security posture and report change to the NAC server. If the endpoint falls out of compliance, the NAC server can revoke or modify the network access. Next point is advantage of OnGuard agent based authentication NAC. Agent provide high level of control over endpoints, enabling the details, posture assessment, and enforcement of security policy. They can access information and perform the action that are not possible to with agentless solution. Enforcement, because the agent reside on the endpoint, it can impose a policy even when the endpoint is not actually communicating with the NAC server. For example, it can be block access to specific application or website. Remediation. Agents can actually remediate non-compliant endpoint by initiating software updates, installing missing patches, or disabling a prohibited application. On the apply the enforcement policy directly, is the system going to quarantine in the fraction of second. Agent can provide a comprehensive report on endpoint security posture, allowing administrator to take administrator track compliance and identify the potential vulnerabilities. This one disadvantage of OnGuard agent-based authentication. Deploying and maintain agent on large number of endpoints can be complex and time consuming. What is the disadvantage? Deploying and maintaining the agent on large number of endpoints can be complex and time consuming. Agent updates, compatibility issue, and conflict with other software can create an administrative overload. This is the advantage. Disadvantage. Okay. Compatibility. Agent must be compatible with the operating system and hardware configuration of all endpoints. This can be challenging in heterogeneous environment with devices. Agent consume system resources such as CPU, memory, and which can impact endpoint performance, especially on older or less powerful devices. Now I discuss agent example about the OnGuard agent-based action. Corporate laptop security. A company mandate that all corporate laptop must have the latest antivirus software installed with OnGuard agent-based NAC. The agent on each laptop verify the antivirus status before gaining network access. If the antivirus software is out of date, the agent prompt the user to update it or restrict its access to quarantine VLAN. One more example, a hospital require all medical devices to be running a specific version of the operating system and to have all security patches installed. OnGuard agent based NAC ensure that only the compliant devices can connect to the hospital network, preventing potential security breaches that could compromise patient data. One more example of the a law firm uses agent-based NAC to ensure all employee laptop have disk encryption enabled. If an employee attempt to reconnect to the network without disk encryption, the agent block network access and provide the instruction on how to enable the encryption, safeguard sensitive client information. Now I'm discussing about the agentless. Agentless NAC solutions do not require software to install on endpoint. Instead, they rely on network-based techniques to identify and access device before gaining access. So, so this is agentless. Okay, I'm talking about now agentless. Agentless NAC solutions do not require software to install on endpoint. Instead, they agentless NAC solution do not require software to install the on the endpoints. How agentless NAC works? When a device attempts to connect to the network, the agentless NAC system passively or actively discover the device. Passive discovery involves analyzing network traffic to identify the device. Attributes. Actively discovery involves sending probes to device to gather information. Agentless and the profiling. The agentless the NAC system uses information gathered during the discovery to profile the device. Profiling involves identifying device, example laptop, smartphone, printer, operating system, other attributes. How to work the authentication in OnGuard agentless systems. The NAC system authenticate the user device user methods such as MAC authentication, .1x authentication. MAC authentication gaining network access based on the network device MAC address. .1x using standard authentication protocol that require user to provide a credential and still involve the supplicant on the device. Web authentication redirection user to web portal where they can authenticate it. Advantage of agentless NAC. If the OnGuard agent based or agentless, advantage of agentless NAC. Simply by deployment, agentless NAC is easier to deploy than agent-based NAC because it does not require software installation on endpoints. This reduces management overhead and simplify the onboarding process for new devices. This is agentless NAC. Agentless NAC can support wide range of devices, including those that cannot run agent such as IoT devices, printers, and legacy systems. Third point, agentless NAC is less intrusive to user because it does not require them to install or configure software. This improves the user experience and reduce the risks of the user resistance. Support a BUID. Agentless NAC is well suited for being you on device environment because it does not require user to install the OnGuard agent on their personal devices. Agentless NAC does not consume endpoint resources, which can improve the performance of older or less than powerful devices. Okay, so as compared to the agentless and agent based. Now, what is the disadvantage of NAC agent OnGuard agentless NAC solution? Limited visibility. Agentless NAC is limited visibility in to an endpoint security posture compared to agent based NAC. It cannot access detailed information about antivirus status, patch level, or other policy check, posture check. Agentless NAC provide less granular control over endpoint than agent-based NAC. It cannot actively remediate non-compliant devices or enforce policy that require endpoint level action. Agentless NAC is more sustainable and compressive than agent-based NAC. Hmm? Agentless NAC relies heavily on the network infrastructure to discover, profile, and authenticate devices. This can make it vulnerable to network disturbance or misconfiguration. Agentless device profiling may not always be accurate, especially for new unusual devices. This can lead to incorrect policy enforcement or denial of access legitimate users. Is an example of agentless NAC action. Guest network access. A company provides guest network access to user using agentless NAC. When a guest user connect to Wi-Fi network, they can redirect to the web portal where they can escape the terms of service, and after accepting terms, they can grant it to internet access. Where to use? One is a guest access, second is IoT devices. Agentless, as a manufacturer plan, uses agentless NAC to secure IoT devices such as sensor and actuator. The NAC system profiles each devices based on the MAC addresses and network traffic. Device that divert from their expected behavior and quarantine to prevent potential security breaches. One more example is a retail chain. You agentless NAC in sugar to point of sales. The NAC system profiling each point of sale terminal based on the MAC addresses and IP address. Only authorized point of sale terminal are allowed to communicate with the payment processing server. Now comparison about the agent based and agentless NAC. Simple comparison about the agent based and agentless is a simple is the last topic. Agent based NAC require agent installation on the endpoint. How deployment? Agent based NAC require agent installation on the endpoint. Agentless NAC deployment, no agent installation required. Device support. Agent based NAC limited to device that can run the agent. Agentless NAC support wide range of device including IoT. Visibility. Agent based NAC high visibility into endpoint security posture. Agentless limited visibility endpoint security posture. Control. Agent based NAC granular control over endpoints. Agentless NAC less granular control over endpoints. Remediation. The remediations agent based NAC active remediation capabilities. Agentless limited remediation capabilities. User impact. Agent based NAC can be instructed to user. Agentless less instructed to user. Management overhead. Agent based NAC highly management overhead. Agentless lower management overhead. Security. Agent based NAC more secure against these sophisticated attacks. Agentless more susceptible and comprehensive. The last point, use cases. Agent based corporate network highly security environment. Agentless guest network BYD and IoT environment. This choice between agent based and agentless NAC depend on the specific need to priorities of the organizations. Agent-based NAC is generally preferred for environments that require high level of security and control, such as corporate network with sensitive data. And agentless NAC only good option for environment where deployment of both devices support more important, such as guest network BYD environment. So this information to be share only for related to agent based and agentless. I'll give you some one example about the agentless and agent. But already going to complete this one. Okay. So it completed. Fine. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye bye.